Hi, today we are going to discuss cos rule. Well, if we have a triangle A, B, and C, if you see these are vertices A, B, and C, and opposite to angle A or vertex A, this is length A, opposite to this A, this is length A, opposite to vertex B, this is length B, and opposite to vertex C, this is length C. So for a triangle we have three sides and three angles, and we need to find a relationship between them in terms of cos rule. So here you go, we would say A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2 times B into C into cos of A. Similarly, if you're looking for B, it goes like B square equals to A square plus C square minus 2 times AC cos of B. And similarly, if it is C, so C square equals to A square plus B square minus 2 times A into B into cos of C. Now, remember that these small a, b, c are lengths, and the capital A, B, and C are representing vertices or angles. Okay, and these are just representing sides. Okay, nothing else. From the same, we can also, find out another formula. We can derive another formula. For example, in this case, we would say, or we have A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2 times B into C into cos of A. What if I want to make cos A subject of the formula? It would be 2BC cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square. Okay, I have taken 2 BC cos A on the left hand side, and I have taken A square on right hand side. Now you're going to divide this B and C over there. So we have cos of A equals B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 times B into C. Right? That means now we can write cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2 times B into C. Similarly, if I am looking for vertex B, so cos B is going to be A square plus C square minus 2 A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2 times AC. And similarly, cos of C is going to be A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2 times A into B. So these are the formulas we can use. Okay. Now I'm going to explain it that when we can apply cos rule. Okay. So next heading is when to apply cos rule, because this is very important point. Students usually get confused what to apply in sine rule and cos rule. So there are two situations. Number one, first situation we'll discuss where we couldn't apply sine rule. So sine rule failed at two sides and included angle. So you would say when two sides and one included angle is given, we can apply cos rule. And secondly, when we have only three sides given, we can apply cos rule. Okay. So here is an example of case number 1. When we have two sides and their included angle is given. So you could see 8 and 10 are given. We have two sides given, and this is 120. The included angle is given. We are going to apply cos rule, and we are looking for this opposite side A. So we can easily apply A square equals, it is going to be 8 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 8 into 10 into cos of 120. Now, it is recommended that you substitute this whole value in calculator directly, and you get a square equals to, you'll get a value. So we get 15.62, we get 244 for this, and then we take square root for this. So value of a is going to be 15.6, let it be centimeter if it is given, right? So that's how we are going to apply cos rule when we have two sides and included angle is given. We have these two sides given and included angle is given, it's 8 and 10. So we have a square equals to 8 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 8 into 10 into cos of 120. So a square is equal to 244, and it is recommended that you put whole value in calculator directly. Okay, so a square equals to 244. A is going to be 15.6. okay, so here is case number 2, when we have only 3 sides are given and we are asked to find unknown angle. For instance, in this question they want us to find angle theta. So this is opposite to 12. So according to the formula, we will be using cos theta is equal to, now it is 8 square plus 7 square minus 12 square. Remember, whatever angle we are going to find, side opposite to that particular angle will be coming at the end. Okay, divided by 2 times 8 into 7. So now theta will become equal to cos inverse of this value, and theta is going to be, so when you put it in calculator, this is what we get. Cos inverse of 8 square plus 7 square minus 12 square divided by 2 times 8 into 7. That is 106.1 degrees. So these are two cases when we can apply cos rule. Have a look. Cos rule is basically, if these are sides A, B and C, A, B and C opposite towards is A, B and C. Okay, the small are representing lengths. So the first format of the formula is a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2 times b into c cos of a. B square will become equal to a square plus c square minus 2 times a into c cos of b, and then c square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab cos of c. Or the second format what we can use is, just to make this cos a subject, you rearrange the formula. Cos is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 times b into c. Now you can see in all these in this formula, cos a, b, c, a is coming at the end. In this formula, if it is cos b, b is coming at the end, c is coming at the end. Okay, and now this is a big question, when to apply cos rule. So here are the situations when two sides and one included angle is given, and only 3 sides are given. So let's discuss each case separately. So case number 1, when we have 2 sides and included angle is given, 8 and 10 are given for instance, and we need to find the opposite side that is coming opposite to 120 degrees. This is a square, this is what we are looking for. 8 square plus 12 square minus 8 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 8 into 10 into cos of 120, and it is recommended that you put whole thing in calculator once. Okay, so a square is 244 and a is 15.6. And second case is when we have only 3 sides given. This is how we do. 8, 7 and 12 for instance is given. We need to find theta, that is c. So cos of c or cos of theta is equal to 8 square plus 7 square minus 12 square. Okay, opposite to theta, if it is this side is 12, that is coming at the end, divided by 2 times 8 into 7. So theta is equal to cos inverse 8 square plus 7 square minus 12 square divided by 2 times 8 into 7, and it is 106.1 degrees. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.